CarConnect presents Mahindra XUV700. Namaste India. Welcome back to CarConnect, where we embark on a journey through the world of automobiles. I am Kiran Kumar, and today we are diving into the world of automobiles with a depth review of latest XUV700.
So, fasten your seatbelts.
We are about to take you on a thrilling performance, features, and design of the car. Hello. Today we are standing in front of Indian SUV named Mahindra XUV700, which was launched in 2011, and you are seeing the second generation variant of 2024, which comes in petrol and diesel. Ex-showroom 14 lakh rupees and the top model goes up to 28 lakh rupees. This is top model AX7 luxurious pack and comes with all-wheel drive. It is 7-seater and it has advanced driver assistance system called ADAS. One of the most famous 7-seater SUV in India. More than 1,40,000 XUV have been sold in India till today. W601 code name of this generation. This generation XUV had got 5-star safety rating. 4 drive modes are available: zip, zap, zoom and custom. And this is automatic clear view LED headlamp with lead me to vehicle and follow me home function. This is LED fog lamp, glossy black grille, Mahindra logo, front camera, skid plate, rain sensing wipers, ADAS camera, sunroof, roof rails, shark fin antenna. Electrically adjustable and foldable outside mirrors with memory function and turn indicator. It has 4.7 meter length, 1.9 meter width and 1.7 meter height. There is 200 mm ground clearance. Car weight is approximately 1800 kg. And this is 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. There is an option of 17-inch steel wheel. Disc brake will be available in front and rear side. MRF radial tubeless tires will be available. This is average white color you are seeing. There is an option of black, silver, red, blue color. Only black roof color option is available. Mahindra logo, rear camera, rear wiper washer with defogger. This is arrow shape LED tail light with LED sequential turn indicator. XUV700 badging, rear sensors, rear reflectors, spare wheel. There is micro hybrid technology for higher mileage. Safety features like 7 airbag, electronic stability program, line view monitor system, continuous digital video recorder, 360-degree surround view camera, keyless entry, tire pressure monitor system, speed sensitive door lock, rear view camera, security alarm, ISOPIC seat mounting, seat belt reminder, engine immobilizer, etc. Let's open the boot. Here you get 90 liters of boot space. Toolkit, 50/50 flat fold seats, let's open the front passenger side door. Here also enough space is given below. Let's open the rear passenger side door. Sony 3D surround sound system available. Bottle holder, speaker, power window button. Adjustable headrest, 2 cup holders on the armrest. Pocket is available behind the passenger seats. Handlebar, LED reading light. This is how dashboard looks like. Let's open the driver side door. Driver side auto up down power window is available with anti-pinch. Power window controls, door lock unlock button, ORVM controls, bottle holder. Height adjustable driver seat is available with memory function. Tire pressure information. This is tilt and telescopic steering, AC vents. This is 6-speed manual transmission. Infotainment controls, 2 cup holders, auto hold and electrical parking brake, wireless charger. It offers dual zone automatic climate control AC with smart clean and air purifier. This is phone volume, infotainment controls, Mahindra logo, cruise control, light controls, wiper controls, and this is 10.24 inch instrument cluster. It shows the information like time, outside temperature, fuel level, coolant temperature, speed, RPM, tire pressure information, etc. 10.24 inch infotainment system supports navigation, Amazon, Alexa inbuilt, wireless Android, Auto and Apple CarPlay. Panoramic sunroof, and Mahindra calls it sky roof. Let's open the bonnet and see new diesel engine. So this is 2200 inline 4-cylinder CRDI turbocharged engine, has 182 horsepower and 420 Newton meter of torque. 17 km mileage is available in manual transmission and 16 km mileage in automatic transmission. It has petrol engine option also. 2000cc inline 4-cylinder turbocharged direct injected TGDI engine which produces 197 horsepower, 380 Newton meter of torque, 15 km mileage is available in manual transmission. So how did you like the new XUV700? Tell us in comments below. Thank you.